We are proud to have partnered with Scantech to create an amazing moss art piece in our rainbow design for G&E Healthcare to celebrate Pride Month, and in this video we'll show you how we did it. We start by making a timber frame with a matte black finish. This will really make the colours pop. In the meantime, Scantech have fabricated the signage and mounted it onto a backing board for us. Once it's in the workshop, it's mounted and secured into our framework. Then we meticulously create our moss art design by adding each piece of moss, flowers and leaves by hand. As it all comes together, you can start to see how the design got its name. The finished piece has a variety of contrasting elements that stand out, but at the same time really work well together. Big shout out and much love to all those celebrating Pride this month.